Hello, I am Vani. Well, that is not my full name, but we'll get to that. I am here to do poetry. सब लोग इतना very vibrant colors के साथ they are talking, and I don't know if I'll be able to do that. But I am just here to get some nervousness off of my tomorrow's exam. So I'll do some poetry. My life had a lot of ups and downs. So the poetry comes from a very heartbroken and very low place. So it's called Victims, the first one. The souls that are supposed to be understood, seeking for help, left to understand and fend for themselves. People dictate what's right and what's wrong, often forgetting that she is not strong. Her voice is silenced, right to express taken away, often not realizing that she is just drifting further away. Her screams not heard, cries for help ignored, she feels hard to survive every day. Happiness and peace becoming a needle in hay. Why does one get to tell her what to do? Have they forgotten that she is the victim and should be given priority number 1, not 2? This is the story of a victim who is usually silenced. I am now her to all a nuisance.
All right.
I might not be what you were expecting at a mock show, but yeah.
Okay.
You understand Hindi?
हाँ.
If you have written, if your phone was proposed on the screen right now.
Projected.
What? Sorry, yeah, it's projected right now.
इंग्लिश में तो अच्छी है भाई, हिंदी का नहीं पता.
So we have written the chats between me and my sisters cause we be either planning murders, bitching about men, or gossiping about people.
Yeah, you'll
so
definitely be in the chat today.
गानी मार दो सीधा सीधी, ऐसे क्यों घुमा फिरा के ले रही हो? ऑप्शन नहीं है भाई.
So what's the question?
आपका इंटरव्यू ले रही है.
आपकी ज़्यादा फट रही है तो.
फेमिनिस्ट देख के मेरी गाल फट जाती है.
Sorry.
फेमिनिस्ट देख के मेरी गाल फट जाती है. हमें मेनिनिस्ट है ना.
ये उसके दिल में चली गई.
Like you have written कि आपने 18 साल की उम्र में एक फक बॉय को डेट किया था. Is that उसके होने के बाद आप फेमिनिस्ट बन गए कि मर्द मादा चोद होते हैं?
I think you don't understand English also. I did not date him.
Damn.
I did not date him.
आपने लिखा है कि आपका कॉलेज चलाना है आपको.
हाँ, yes.
क्यों मतलब इतना गुस्सा?
Basically, first thing is I don't want to take the name, but I am debarred from an exam because I have 1% less attendance, and the people who come class drunk on drugs, so they are writing the exam because they are politicians' kids. So.
Which college that is? अरे बोल दे, इतना तो गाने में कूदा है, बोल दे ये भी. हाँ सही बात है.
I feel like your punchlines come with a loading screen for people to understand.
तो प्रिंसिपल भी मर्द था, डिबार कर दिया.
डीन मर्द था.
रहने दो यार. फिफ्थ
सब मर्द पे गुस्सा, जितना गुस्सा सब मर्द पे.
7
8 from my side.
अरे तू क्यों ले रही है भाई तू?
Thank you.
6 from my side.
6 from your side.
छठा वो 7 तू है.
No, I have photographic memory. I'll remember.
अगर आपको एक जज को रिप्लेस करने का मौका मिलता, किसको करते आप?
Okay, it's an easy thing since we already found out that you guys are already a little racist towards South Indians. Try pronouncing my full name. It's written there.
तू हमारा इंटरव्यू ले रही है क्या ये?
श्री वानी हरिणमयी.
ये उसने 4 बार प्रैक्टिस किया है पहले. श्री वानी हरिणमयी, राइट?
Yes, thank you.
मैं नहीं बोलूँगा.
Okay. Then I
तुम्हें सही लगा इन लोगों का? हाँ ठीक है. किसको चेंज करना चाहोगे? मुझे. क्यों इनको चेंज करना?
मर्द हूँ ना मैं.
नहीं. The thing is,
स्वागत मर्द नहीं है.
The thing is, I don't have a problem with men. It's just that when they try too hard to get people laughing or women laughing like him.
आपसे हम फिर से डील करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक डिस्कम्फर्ट राउंड भी है. अगर एक से ज़्यादा कंटेस्टेंट्स जीतते हैं तो उनके बीच में एक रोस्ट बैटल होगा. तुम्हारे लिए किसी को उठाकर लाऊंगा मैं.
Thank you.
एनीवेज, ऑडियंस के तरफ से मिले हैं आपको 3
Okay. No worries.
and the judges average is 7.
Okay.
क्या दिया आपने?
I wanted to.
मर्दों से तो पैसे नहीं लोगे आप.
Sorry. मैं पैसों के लिए नहीं आई हूँ.
बोल माँ. कितना दिया तूने?
8.
दिखा दो यार.
Oh, sorry.
बोलती 8. Thank you.
So, do I stay or?
No, thanks.